Hello student, I am Satish Tyagi to teach you physics, some important formula, class 12th, chapter number 4, part number 2. I have tell you 4 formulas in before first videos. Now I am telling to you formula number 5. Suppose this is the state wire and I current is flow. We find at point P magnetic field. Magnetic field here B equal to question mark and distance of the point P from the wire is R. Then the magnetic field B equal to mu naught upon 2 pi I upon R. Here mu naught equal to permeability its value is 4 pi into 10 की power minus 7 Newton upon ampere square, and I is the current in the wire. I is current and R is the distance of the point P from the wire, perpendicular distance. Now I am telling to you formula number 6. Formula number 6. Formula number 6 is magnetic field due to a straight solenoid. This is the solenoid. This is the solenoid. Let current I is flow and N is the number of turn of the solenoid. L is the total length of the solenoid. Then magnetic field inside at a point P, inside magnetic field at point P B equal to mu naught N I, where mu is the permeability, N is number of turn per unit length, I is the current, where N equal to N upon L, number of turn per unit length, small n is number of turn per unit length. Now at the point Q, near the end point, near the end point of the solenoid, the magnetic field B equal to mu naught upon 2 small n I at point Q, near the end point Q, the magnetic field is this here. Now I am telling to you formula number 7. The formula number 7 is force on a moving charge in a uniform magnetic field. Suppose The magnetic field is in this direction. Magnetic field is in this direction, and charge Q is moving. Charge Q is moving in this direction with velocity v, and angle is theta. Then force on the charge, this is the same force on the charge, F equal to Q vector V cross vector B. I am telling you again. Suppose the magnetic field in this direction, a charge Q is moving in this direction with velocity v. The angle between B and V is theta. Then force F equal to Q vector V cross B, or Q V B sin theta. Sin theta, where magnitude of the force in this way. Now I am telling to you formula number 8. Formula number 8 is when charged particle enter a magnetic field at perpendicular. Suppose this is the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field. A charged particle. This is the magnetic field B. A charged particle whose mass is m and charge is q, and enter the perpendicular in velocity v. Then its path is circular in magnetic field. Its path is circular in magnetic field. V velocity and force is in this direction, and this is the center. Then in this condition, centripetal force mv square upon r equal to qvb, where r is the radius of the circle. This is the centripetal force and this is the magnetic force. Now I am telling to you B part. Radius of this circle in magnetic field r equal to mv upon qb, radius of this circle. Now I am telling to you C part. The time period of the particle t equal to 2 pi m upon qb, टाइम पीरियड ऑफ द सर्किल, यानी कि सर्किल के इसके अंदर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अंदर चार्ज क्यू जो है कितने टाइम में अपना एक रिवॉल्यूशन पूरा करेगा, वो टाइम पीरियड टी इक्वल टू 2 पाई एम अपॉन क्यू बी. अगेन ये चार्ज क्यू कितने टाइम में अपना एक रिवॉल्यूशन पूरा करेगा, उसका टाइम पीरियड टी इक्वल टू 2 पाई एम अपॉन क्यू बी. नाउ kinetic energy of the particle is q square b square r square upon 2m. These are 4 formulas. And now if the particle is enter at any angle in magnetic field, if the particle is entered now if particle is entered at an at an angle theta between 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 V and B, then radius of the holox equal to m v sin theta upon qb, m v sin theta upon qb, and pitch the path of the magnetic of the particle in this condition. The particle path is this type, this way path of the particle in magnetic field, and its pitch p equal to v cos theta into 2 pi m upon qb. I have tell you 8 formulas, and formula number 9, the permeability constant is fixed. Its value is in vacuum. Its value is mu naught equal to 4 pi into 10 की पावर -7 न्यूटन अपॉन एम्पियर स्क्वायर. म्यू नॉट इज permeability and constant. Now I am telling to you formula number 10. 1 Tesla. Tesla is a unit of magnetic field equal to 1 Newton ampere minus 1 meter minus 1, and it equal to 10 की power 4 Gauss. That this is the CGS unit. This is the SI unit. This is the CGS unit. I have tell you 10 formula of this chapter in part 2, and other formula I tell you in next videos. Thank you.